Hello everybody. Today I wanted to talk about a very new kind of drug testing, at least it is new to me. As the founder of the Amicable Divorce Network, we have found that a lot of individuals who have substance abuse involved in their family are gravitating towards our process because it is private and it is out of court. And this gives families the flexibility for somebody to seek treatment, for them to come up with some very creative parenting plans, and for us to take a very individualized approach to a case that often isn't available in the court system, simply because the court doesn't have the bandwidth to deal with all of the idiosyncrasies that may be happening in a particular family. And so I came across a really interesting new type of drug testing, which is urine-based, and it is DNA synced, so to speak. So what happens, and it's called ShareTech. So just to throw that out there first if you want to look it up. But what happens is the very first test is observed by somebody, maybe the attorney, maybe a paralegal. In our community, we have some visitation supervisors who observe this first test, sign off that they have observed it, and the test is sent off by FedEx to be tested. Any future test is synced to that initial sample by DNA matching. And so this means that people can't use a Whizzinator, they can't use synthetic urine, they can't use anybody else's urine. And so that is very interesting in this space to have that. ShareTech tests for drugs and alcohol. It also is a very good way. A lot of people have concerns if somebody has a mental health disorder or something of that nature, that they are taking the proper amount of medication, and ShareTech can also test for that. People test in the privacy of their home and send the tests off by FedEx, and the results are sent into whoever, the attorney, the other parent, whatever the case may be. If you want to learn more about this, I recently recorded an interview with Suzu Solkin of ShareTech, and you can find it on the Amicable Divorce Network website, and it would be under our blog posts, which are on the bottom left. And she gets into a deeper dive with me about how this technology works and answers some of the questions that I had at the time. So if you happen to have issues involving substance abuse, whether you are going through a divorce or a divorce professional, I would check it out to learn more information. Thanks.